Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next one is a sales order fulfillment worksheet. What is the purpose of this one? Click on this one. Under sales order fulfillment worksheet, it is just a sheet that you can see, for example, how many sales orders are there and which sales order can be fulfilled first, or which sales order include what. Click on this one. You can see, for example, this sales order include motherboard and RAM, right? If you click on the second one, you can see the second sales order include this one. What is the purpose or advantage of this one? If there are, for example, several sales order, and the company cannot fulfill all of them at the same time, so here we can select only one of them. For example, there are, for example, 100. You can select. You can check that whether the items which are available in the warehouse are enough to fulfill the sales order or not, or which sales order can be fulfilled first, right? So which one is much more important? So through this one, you can sort the sales order and select anyone which is to be done first. So this is called what? Sales order fulfillment worksheet. This is only the purpose of this one, so rest of the thing is very simple. Close this one. Let us do one thing more. If you remember, at the time of creating the customer, there was a section by the name of price level, right? Price level, the purpose of price level was to increase the price for the customer or decrease the price for the customer. Let us check now what was the purpose of that one, and now we can check it, right? Let us create a customer quickly, or even before creating the customer, click on the sales order. From here, we can create the customer. Click on this one. Create a customer by the name of, for example, BBB, for example, right? Select the price level. Let us say, for example, 10% lower, right? So it should be 10% lower. You make it a new one. Make a new one per percentage, for example, 10% higher. 10% higher. Let us say, for example, for this customer, we want to charge 10% extra. 10%. How many percentage? 10%. So you have to mention percentage here as well, right? So let us say, for example, for this customer, payment is this one, 10% extra. Sell it now. When you select the customer in the case of sales order and so on, here on the right side, you can see that it is mentioned that for this customer, it is 10% extra, right? Now select the item. For example, select anything. Select book. Select book, for example, let us say, for example, 10 book. Or whatever, right? 10 book. How much they charge for each book for this customer? They charge 330, right? Save this one, 7. Click another customer, for example. Let us say Abdul Latif, right? Once again, select book, right? Mention, for example, 10 book, right? For example. For this customer, how much they charge? They charge only 300, right? So remember the purpose of this one as well, the price level. So this was the purpose of price level. If you charge higher, so higher price will be charged on the customer. If you say lower, lower price will be charged. See, on the previous customer, it was 330, but on this customer, it is 300, right? Once again, if you select, for example, the previous customer by the name of BB, so the price will be more than this. But of course, you have to refresh it. Select the customer, select it. Select the item, for example, it was book, right? Now they charge how much? 330. Yes. So this was the purpose of price.